Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Alexis Sanderson. Alexis is 8 years old. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy, and she's about a level 3, level 4, which means she can walk with 2 hands held pretty well. She walks with 1 hand kind of well. She walks in a walker if you help her steer, and for long distances, she needs a wheelchair. We're going to do something for back strength and head and neck strength. She has a hard time holding up her head against gravity, so I love scooter board work. I have, actually this is off a wheelchair. It's a hand rim that a kid didn't need anymore. It's a great hoop. I have a little piece of pool noodle to help keep her hands apart. I've got her holding on. I've got her on a scooter board with a belt around her to keep her from rolling off. So let me get up. Alexis, are you ready to go? Let's go, Alexis. And when I do this in the clinic, if her head goes down, then I stop and we go as long as she is up. So it's a fun way to work on back strength in the clinic. Woo-hoo! I love it, Alexis. I hope this is an idea that's easy for you to work on head and neck strength and back strength. We'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.